Excuse me, did you see a fat man around here?
Aladdin, is that you?
Bidhi, did you hear me what I said?
Yes. I heard what you said. You just said that you were also longing to see me, right?
I'm in trouble now. Bidhi, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Hey, Aladdin. Don't hesitate so much. Come on, tell me what it is.
My friend Ginu, he's missing. He's new to Baghdad. He's incapable of lying. He's quite fat. Did you see him anywhere?
Oh my god, he speaks only the truth. And in Baghdad, such a person doesn't belong here at all. What if he gets mugged? What if someone kidnaps him? What will happen? We don't even have money to pay the ransom. Should we break and enter someone's house for that? No. What if we get caught while robbing others? Then who's going to save him? What if he gets killed or something?
Hold on,
my god,
hold on,
that
hold
will be a disaster.
Your imagination has no limits at all. Don't you worry about it. I'll take care of him. Take care of yourself. Okay? Alright? Bye.
Okay.
I swear upon gold coins. Let's find out if it has taken effect. What do you think of me?
You are my life. You are my life, and I always like to celebrate being with you. You are my only hope. You are the most beautiful woman in the world. You are my mistress, and I am your servant.
Enough. If you bend any further, you may not be able to get up. You're too weak to praise someone for a long time. Hey dear, what's with you? And why are you doing that?
Mother, I can't tell you how much I love lemonade. I don't want to finish it, you know.
My dear son, come on, drink up quickly. I'll buy you one more if you want. We don't have to pay money, you see.
But ma'am,
Suleiman, when your wife visited me the other day, I reprimanded her. How is it going for you now?
Suleiman, one should always pay his debts. Dear, what's our next step?
Now let's go home right away and prepare to confront that Aladdin.
Why have they not returned yet? When are they going to return? Oh, thank God you're here. I've been waiting for you. Come on, please give me my lamp.
Oh my god. What did you say?
Master Aladdin, you've heard the name. Thank God that you're here. I gave the lamp to two gentlemen. They just wanted to show it to someone, you know. But I don't know why haven't they returned yet.
You gave the lamp to the strangers?
No, master. They both seemed like nice gentlemen. They have taken the lamp to an old man who wanted to see it. They'll be back here any minute.
In what direction did they go?
This way they took the third turn and they're at the fourth tree.
Good job.
Thank you.
You fool. I want you to go back home and stay there, alright? And shut your mouth. Got it. I'll go find the lamp. Go. There's nothing in here. There's no third turn or fourth tree out here. How am I gonna find those two crooks in Baghdad? With the help of Mr. Bulbul, I will be able to see every corner of Baghdad from here.
Young man, in order to experience love and to bring things closer to me, I invented a telescope.
Does it really work?
The world's biggest wall is being built in China. I go on my roof every evening to watch that wall being constructed. Even if you're looking for a needle in a haystack, with this you can find it.
I'm gonna find the lamp burglars now. Banana? I'm starving. I wish I could eat one. I need the banana. I want the banana. My worries vanish when I need a banana. Is that a song? Not yet, but it will become one in future. Well done. This is how freeloaders should be treated. Oh my god. What am I doing? I should be looking for the lamp thieves.
Oh my goodness, what is this madness? I'm still blurting out the truth. What do I do now? Yes, I'm going to lock myself in this house.
It's okay even if a mad stray dog bites a human, but he should never be stung by the bug of honesty. He is in agony. You have a silky skin. You're gorgeous. You are a slim beauty. My dear kind-hearted wife, I thank you a million times for offering me and Gulbadan the lemonade which helped us to get over the impediment called honesty. Thanks a lot, my dear.
Silky skin. Kind-hearted person. Buffalo. Witch.
No.
Greedy.
Dear,
These words came flying out of your mouth and it's etched in my memory.
dear, please forget all
Shut
that.
up. Just shut up. And let me focus on the work. My sweetheart, I'll tell you what. You go and open the back door. I'm going to demonstrate a secret trick. Witnessing which, even that Sheikh Genie will be taken aback.
A secret trick?
What is it?
They look like beggars. How come they are carrying such a big sack? Is it them? Oh my god! I found the lamp!
What dress should I wear? I will wear the red dress. No. I look quite rude in red dress. No. How about golden dress? I look good in this. The golden... No. I look like a walking jewelry shop in this. What dress should I go with? Should I wear this? This one? No, it's not good at all. What dress should I be wearing?
Wear the blue dress. You will look like the moon wrapped in the blue sky. The moon appears in the blue sky and makes me yearn for you by showering love upon me.
Is this a song?
Not yet, but it will be a song someday.
Oh, just shut up. How dare you enter my room?
We spent so much time together that I long for your company now.
That thief in the black dress firstly entered my life without my consent and now he's in my dreams. Pitti, mark my words. I'll make him pay for this. I'm going to kill him.
Dear princess, please pull yourself together. Please, just calm down. Alright, just calm down. You have to get ready, right? Please pick up a dress. Your father must be waiting for you.
wear the blue dress. You will look like the moon wrapped in the blue sky.
Stop sighing. Your sack is lighter than mine. My sack is heavier. And you're still panting.
That's what I was thinking.
What?
Remember how we used to break candies into two halves as kids? How about cutting the lamp into two? We both have half of lamps, 100 each. Who is going to get the last lamp? It's mine.
No, it's mine.
It's mine.
It's
Give
mine.
it to me.
Give me the lamp.
Give it to me.
Give me the lamp. It's
Give it to me.
mine. It's
Give it to me.
mine.
It's mine.
It's mine. It's mine.
Stop fighting like cats and dogs.
Who are you?
Talk to me with respect. Before you go to bed in the night, after you wake up in the morning, drink warm water and learn to respect your elders.
Who are you, mister?
Me? I'm Chow Mein, the monk.
I am the dumbest genie in the entire world who has lost his own lamp. Just one. If I get to meet those crooks again, I am going to teach them a... Biryani? I just love biryani.
Come,
Biryani.
let's eat and chit-chat a bit. If you really want to have this biryani, then you have to do as I say. I'll keep asking you questions and you keep answering them. Every time you answer my question, I'll feed you one spoon full of biryani.
Say
Do
something.
you agree? Come on, tell us.
Come on, come on.
Do you agree?
Out with it. If I keep my mouth open to eat the biryani, then there's danger of telling the truth. I agree.
Good, good. Open your mouth. Well done. Mr. Sheikh, tell me something. What did your father do for a living?
Yes.
My father? My father was a very kind man. He was a very rich man. He owned 16 horses, 12 sheep, 2 elephants, and me also. But he passed away a long time ago.
Very good. I meant your father was a very good man. When did he pass away? I mean, How many days ago?
Not days, but
5 years
five-
isn't that long. It's not easy to understand you sometimes. Come on, take another bite. Very good. Well, before you met Aladdin, what were you doing for a living?
I used to sleep.
Sir, what else apart from it?
I used to sleep. Sheikh, you're just like my father, right? Father!
Sir, what else did you do apart from sleeping?
I told you I used to just sleep.
It's impossible.
How's that possible? I'm trying to ask him a question. How is it even possible?
That is because I'm.
Tell that. Please don't call yourself a bird. You are too big to compare with any small bird. Just accept the fact that you were lazy. Come on, you were lazy, right?
Yes, there's something fishy about him.
The next question will clear all your doubts.
I'm not going to answer the next question.
Tell me, are you related to Aladdin? I mean to say, how do you know him?
My master has forbidden me from telling anybody that he's my master. If I answer this question, I'll be dishonoring my master's order and he will come to know the truth as well. Kamin the monk?
My name's not Kamin. Chow Mein, the monk. I hail from China. I was in deep meditation for the last 100 years in a desert, but your screams distracted me. Now tell me, why you two were quarreling?
Sage, we went across the city and collected 201 lamps. We wish to get it divided equally between us. As of now, we have 100 lamps each. But we are yet to decide that who is going to keep this last lamp.
It's mine.
No, it's mine.
It's mine. Give it to me.
No, I'm going to keep it.
It's the magical lamp. The one which they stole from Genu. I have to get it back at all costs.
You morons, I'm going to resolve your problems.
But Chow Mein the monk, how are you planning to equally divide one lamp between us?
Mandoli, Mandola, Chindola, Pandola, Ching Chang Chu. I am Chow Mein the monk. Yeah. The wind is telling me that you guys have left behind one lamp in Baghdad. But you don't have to worry about it. I'll use my magic and bring the lamp over here.
So, Sage, please get that lamp over here soon.
To get the lamp, you must both obey my orders first.
Whatever you will say.
We will do it, Sage.
Chow Mein.
Kids save money to make a bundle. You can see Shanghai if you climb that wall. I swear in the name of Genie and say this, the Chinese and Baghdadis are brothers.
Bijli.
Did you see the power of my magic? The lamp is here finally. Now you two take this lamp and put into your sacks.
My lamp. Long live the monk.
Hail Sage.
Thank you very much, the monk.
Sage. Chow Mein.
It's time to get engrossed in meditation for me.
Wait a minute, Chow Mein the monk.
Come on, tell us. Come on, tell us what is the relationship between you and that Aladdin?
Tell us.
Tell us, come on. Tell us.
Answer.
Tell us,
Answer
come on,
the
come on.
question.
Tell us.